Hi, thank you so much for doing a beautiful work with the Learn French to Music videos. I'm very appreciative. I figured it would be easier for me to show you physically what the next song is. So it's Où est, où est Louise? So every verse, there's 7 of them. They're very short and they're all very repetitive. So it's où est Louise? Où est Louise? Où est Louise? Tu es là. That's the first verse. So if you could have the teacher say tu es là, that would be great. And then the synchronization of the hands and of the mouth, où est, is also pretty important. The second verse is a girl. You're showing a girl. So it goes où est Anaël? Où est Anaël? Où est Anaël? Elle est là. So here I'm showing where the girl is. So we would need a girl. The third verse is a boy. So il est là. I'm showing a boy. Il est là. Then we're looking for papa. So same thing. Où est papa? Où est papa? Où est papa? Il est là. So the finger is not pointing straight at the child that's watching the video because it's to the side. It's he is there. He is there. She is there. So those differentiations are important. So we have papa, daddy, and then we have maman, mommy. Elle est là. And then où est Armelle? That's the last verse. Où est Armelle? Où est Armelle? And Armelle is me. So I go je suis là. Coucou. So if you could do that, that would be beautiful. So thank you. Bye.